Hello, we've got some brand new Nouveau Saver bundles for you this weekend as usual, and there's 6 awesome bundles for you in different inks and colours and all that good stuff, and I'm here today to tell you a little bit about that. So we'll start off by going through them one by one, talking about them. If you don't know so much about the product, I'll hopefully enlighten you. Okay, so we'll begin with the watercolor card. So you got it in 2 different sizes. You get 4 in total, 2 in the A6 and 2 in the A2, and it's really good quality watercolor card, and you can create awesome watercolor designs. You can even do little paintings or whatever you wanted, but you could also die cut them then as finishes and details on your cards. So really useful if you are going to be using some pens and watercolor activities with brushes, all that kind of stuff. These watercolor cards and these watercolor pads are perfect for that. Next up we have the Mica Mist. Now, if you ever seen our Mica Mist before, they're a spray which contains mica, which brings sort of a metallic sort of look to it, but in these bright different colors. You can create awesome mixed media effects and patterns in these bright colors that you've got here. So you've got a green, a pink, an orange and a blue, really vivid. You can see that blue and the orange, all really, really nice. Next up then we have got the shimmer powders. So these shimmer powders are another one of the most popular Nouveau products in recent times, and they're a powder, but when water diffuses with them, they create a wonderful sort of explosion of color in all different sort of pigments. So you've got a green, you've got sort of lunar pocket, and you've got a meteorite shower and a purple color as well, but there's loads of colors inside those shimmer powders as well, and yeah, it creates wonderful, awesome effects. Then we've got some alcohol markers for you, and we've got them in blue, we've got them in a pebbles or greys, and then we got your blending, so your depth and shadows pens as well. Now, yeah, really good quality alcohol markers. The same goes for all the products I'm showing you now, the Nouveau quality that you'd expect from them. They've got a chisel tip and a pointed tip on both sides, and so that's 9 pens in total that you're getting, but really, really nice for creating and blending and doing some really cool stuff. So if you're into your stamping or whatever, they're perfect for you. Next up is the diamond ink pad. So you get 3 packs in a bundle this weekend, sorry, and you've got them in our most recent one. We've got sort of Sea Siren, and we've got Rose Garden, and then finally Dreaming Color, which is a lovely pastel shades. And you also got blues and purples, so aquas as well, and warmer tones then in the Rose Garden. Again, really, really good quality inks there for you, and you can create some awesome design. They're a hybrid ink as well, if you think you're wondering which they are. And finally, we've got our Nouveau Aqua Flow pens. These are wonderful for creating mixed media designs or colouring, whichever really. They're a really versatile water pen, and you can create awesome designs with those as well. And we've got them in a pink, and we've got them in a blue, black and a purple as well. So really, really pretty. Now these deals go live on Friday at 9 AM all the way until Monday at 4 PM, and they'll only be available then at those discounts. So go on the store on the US and UK, and you can get yourself a wonderful deal this weekend.